Today I want to use this rectangular vase. This vase needs 2 bricks of oasis. I'm not used to use that much oasis. I try to go green, but at this moment that's the only thing that I have. I will work with gladiolas, and I really like them now. I remember when I was doing the floor arrangement for the lobby, they used to have a round table in the lobby, and all the floral arrangements that I used to do there were for round tables, so there has to be 360 degrees. That means that you're gonna be able to see it, the flower for every angle. But one day during the hurricane season, the glass was broken. They replaced it for a rectangular table, a skinny rectangular table. So I had to change the designs because you need to do something totally different. And then I started working with rectangular vases. And it was a challenge. With the time, I got used to that and I really enjoy it. So now I'm gonna remember those days, and I want to use gladiolas. Among other things, I want to use this leaf in yellow and green to make the lines at the bottom. Maybe it is time to put one over here. So when the pieces are so tall, it is complicated to record. So let me see. This arrangement has, we can say an L shape, but I'm not sure. What I want to show you is we have this yellow color here. We have to balance, and I have to add something yellow over there. So now I created a problem because I was thinking I had to use the sunflowers in that area. Okay, I added this sunflower here because it helped me to balance the yellow colors and the lines, but still I feel that it's an empty spot there. Not because I want to cover the oasis, because the design needs, I put something there. I'm gonna do that. Well, I was looking something to cover that area, but suddenly I got distracted with this. Well, I believe that is done. I will take the camera and show you without any noise. In the middle, I will organize everything here and I will show you how it looks. Maybe I have to touch some lines of the gladiolas, but I'm not sure yet. I will show you as soon as finished. Okay, I haven't touched it too much. I just was thinking in those lines. This section, I just move a little bit this area, but still not sure that's the right positions. And I added, I don't know if you see, this pick of the gladiolus. Well, I hope you like it. It is sometimes a little bit complicated to work with different vases that I know those ones that you used to use, but every new challenge brings new possibilities. So open your mind and start working with things that you never thought you're gonna be able to do. Good luck. Let me know. Leave any comment. Like, subscribe, and share whatever you want to do. Bye bye. Thank you.